Sound effects. What would my videos be without sound effects? Hell, what would even the world be without sound effects? And since I create content, I love sound effects. Well, a little too much. But today, that's why I'm going to be speed ranking some sound effects. Alright, so first off, we have the Vine Boom. 9 out of 10. It's still relevant after 10 years. This sound effect will live on for generations to generations. Alright, so next up we have the... I'm gonna rate this sound effect an 8 out of 10. This sound effect is going to become timeless and it will feature generations to come. Alright, so next up is the Get Out sound effect. I will give it a 7 out of 10. I feel like this is a good sound effect, but sometimes it gets definitely overused.